on, guys? Dre the Barber 731 checking in, and as you can see, my station is looking a mess. So in this video, I'll be breaking down everything, sanitizing my area and my clippers, and getting everything ready for the upcoming week. On the other half of the video, I'll also be going over all my clippers, my starting lineup, and everything as far as my tools I consider a barber essential. So yeah, man, really just gonna let the video play for you guys so you can see the whole process. So I hope you guys can sit back and relax, enjoy. This dope beat is brought to you guys by my good friend Spence. I'm gonna leave a link to his newest video in my description box below at Steady Creating on YouTube. Make sure you guys go check him out for me. Guys, so here all I'm doing is taking each guard one by one, brushing off any dirty loose hair that still might be on them, letting them sit in the barber side tank. That alone is going to help disinfect. And then once I take them out, just taking my clean towel and drying them off. Much the same thing here. I take out the blade of the clipper, sanitize those, reset them, place them back on, and then I also spray and wipe down the outside of the clipper. barber, is nothing like coming to a fresh new week with a fresh and clean station ready to go. Here I have my blade tray where I keep all my detachable blades, starting with the 5-0, next is the 3-0. The 5 is pretty much balding, and the 3 used to take away your first guideline. Next is the number 1. The number 1 is pretty much equivalent to the Wall Senior or Andes Master all the way open. Next I have the 1A. Pretty good for against the grain low Caesars, and the 1.5 pretty much wave length on top. Here I have my pick / curl comb. Great because you can actually sanitize that. Gotta have your neck duster. Here I have separate bottles, one for my green rubber alcohol, one for my regular alcohol, one for after the cut. And then I use the green alcohol to wipe down the hair and the hairline to take away any extra grease. And here I have my Chaps liquid razor. I pretty much only use this brand right here. I've used other ones, but I love Chaps, man. It don't cake up a lot, and it's gives a great hold. Here I have my hairspray. I use this Tresemme 3-in-1. Gives great hold, as well as my Motions oil sheen. Great smell. These are good shine. Inexpensive. And I'm pretty sure all barbers that you know have candidates on their station. Cool Care. Don't even waste your time getting any other brand. Just rock with the Andes Cool Care. Here I have my fiber applicator pump by Black Ice. I love this because you can just unscrew it right there. Has a cap on the end so you don't get anything in the nozzle. Then it also comes with pans to help it, help yourself for easy cleaning. Then moving on to the side, I just keep some, essential items. My water bottle. Keep it. Here I have this tea tree wrapping lotion, my Isoflush. I use this to lay the hair down. This is my top powder by Clubman. Good smell. This certain scent they have, Whiskey Woods, got a nice masculine musky smell. A lot of my clients like it. Elegance Plus Shave Gel. Pretty much the best shave gel I ran across so far. The only other one that I like is the Tune 45 by Chris Basio. And here I keep some, for any barbers that wear glasses, keep a bottle of this lens cleaner on your station. It'll help you out so much. I promise you. I'm a blind folk out there. Keep some, keep that on your station. And then here I also have some compressed air. I don't have enough room right now for an air tank. So the compressed air helps with just dusting and clean your clippers. Here I have a small little tray thing where I keep extra things as far as like backup guards here. I keep my neck strip container on top just to keep it there. Here I keep extra brushes, combs, extra razor handles, extra shears, anything that I might need a backup in, or just something that maybe might be better for a certain customer. I keep it here. And here in this bottom one, I keep my razor blades, derby, sauna. I also keep, I think this is very important for barbers, keep some backup blades just in case. You might drop your clippers as well as screws. I have this bag of screws here that I just keep extra in just in case. Screwdriver, clipper oil, nick powder. I keep pretty much all that in here. Everything just kind of back up, I keep in here. And moving on to the clippers, guys. My starting lineup. Here I have my Oxford 76ers, Cadillacs as we call them down here in the South. I know some of North Bronx don't know nothing about that, but great for knocking the hair down, setting up guidelines. Even if you don't use these kind, get you some detachable clippers, man. It's gonna help you out in the long run. And here I have my Wall Senior. These are my pretty much workhorse Wall Senior Reflections. Pretty much no difference between these and the 5-star seniors. I just like the outside look. Shiny chrome, looks good when you clean it up. And then here I have my Andes Masters. Pretty much same thing, adjustable clipper. I use this more for tapers, finer hair, blending, some shape ups, Sometimes I change between this taper blade and the fade blade, just depending on what's going on. And my next clipper here is a Wahl 5-star balding. Great clipper to have, especially if you do a lot of bald fades. This will save the life of your trimmers if you use those to bald. This will also save you some time from having to switch out to the 5-0 blade on your adjustables. On your detachables all the time. Next here, the OG Anesthesia outliner. Anybody out there that's a barber or just knows about barbering, this is the quintessential trimmer. You gotta have some great anesthesia outliners. I also rock the GTX D2 blade. And as you can see, I have cord detangles, the great things around my clipper cord. These just help keep them out the way, keep them getting tangled up. And here I have my Wahl 5-star detailers. These are my hitters. I use these on kids, adults, no problem. Beard work and everything. These things just hit. And here I have my Andy shavers. I keep these and a pair of Wahl 5-star shavers, both great. But right now I'm just kind of rocking with the Andy shavers a little more. And I don't know about you guys, but in the state of Tennessee, we have to have a sterilized box. Some states it varies, but so I just keep all my razor handles, combs, and everything that I use. Pretty much every cut in here. Just different brushes, combs. You need all of them, so I just keep everything in here, keep it out the way, and keep it clean at the same time. And here I keep my wall guards. My purple and this guard is magnetic, so I just keep those right there on the box. I have the half guard, 1 guard, 1.5 guard, and the 2 guard, as well as number 3. I keep these in the box, really just because I use them frequently, especially with longer haircuts. And here in my drawer, I just keep the rest of my wall guards, the ones I don't use as much, my appointment book, journal just to write down any ideas or anything I might need to remember right there at that second. Some extra brushes, clips, hand sanitizer, as you can see, gloves, gotta have those. So yeah, man, just want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, I have a clipper review as well as another haircut tutorial coming next week. And in the comments below, tell me what you guys think. Do you care if your barber goes extra miles to sanitize and clean his tools? Let me know. Trey the Barber 731 checking out. See you guys next time.